Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaurya and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 34, valid palindrome. Today I have chosen a little easy kind of question, but this is not that straightforward question because obviously there's some modifications in the question, but still it's kind of an easy thing, easy question. So this is the code which I have written, and so time and space complexity is also like optimal. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I will post more videos. And top of the fact, I really need to thank whomsoever watching my videos and sometimes giving these videos a like, because recently I'm getting a lot of views in the past videos. So yeah, I just thought I should mention that too. So thank you.